I want to talk about the challenge. You want to torch off some body fat. What better way to do it? Show your daily activity, whether you're up, whether you're down. You can see that the scale, while it might be important overall, it's a little mentally damaging if you really look at it every single day, multiple times per day, expecting a particular result. It's going to be you staying on target as long as you possibly can that's going to show the largest shifts in scale. From yesterday to today, I went into a 10-pound surplus just seemingly overnight. But truth be told, yesterday I had a refeed after a fast, so I've replenished and I'm holding a lot more water than normal. That probably not, because I kept around my typical caloric requirement for the day, about 2,800 calories. So that's where I kept it, single meal refeed, but 7 pounds. So if I'm glued on the scale and I'm monitoring it from day to day, it's a panic point for me. Oh no, 7 pounds, what am I going to do? In essence, we'll see tomorrow and the next day that water will level out and we'll see that true fat loss from the 3-day fast that I put in at the beginning of the week. Then it will make more sense. But right now, for a lot of people that are monitoring the scale daily, it's definitely panic palace. Don't get involved in that. Understand that if you are being true to yourself, true to what you've told yourself you're going to do, a big change this time, probably not telling anybody you're going to do it, being ready for the naysayers to say that you've done it so many times and failed. Look at this as practice, ladies and gentlemen, and move into that next step and just enjoy the ride. Understand, once you start to get on your path and you start to do it less and less times, you're going to be making mistakes. Less and less times you're going to be completely upset, damaged to a point where you're going to give it all up and just go on to some kind of a bender. Don't do it. I'm Connor with Honor. Thanks for watching. Be well. We'll see you on the next one. The scale's important, but give it its due weight. You're a biological entity. Things change. A little hotter outside, you might retain more water. A little cooler, you might let off more water. And water, ladies and gentlemen, is heavy. I'm not saying if you're 600 pounds, it's probably a lot of water, but a 600 pounder is going to have a lot more water in them than a 150 pounder. So those changes, the bigger you are, the more dynamic they're going to be. Me, 7 pounds, if I was 110 pounds and put on 7 pounds in a sitting, I don't even know if that'd be possible. I'm Connor with Honor. We'll talk to you soon.